Hey friends, if you wish to change camera settings on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for the word camera in the Windows search bar and then you can open the camera application. Now in the camera application, to change the settings, you can click on the setting symbols at the top left corner and you will be able to access the camera settings. So you can also show advanced controls if you want that. You can change the framing grid accordingly, and then you can change the default settings, like you can use system settings or you can use app settings, whatever you prefer. You can also change the photo quality, but usually by default it is selected at the highest one. And you can also change the video settings. So by default it is usually at the highest one, but it can be reduced. Okay, you can choose accordingly. And these are the main things. You can also change privacy settings, but these are usually app specific. So this can be done. You can go to privacy and security and you can manage the camera settings from here for like giving access to certain applications and not giving access to certain applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.